Hi my beautiful lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be testing these two products. These are the MyGlam base products. One is an age defining foundation and the other is glow iridescent brightening essence. I think this is a serum infused primer or something. I haven't really looked up about what these things are. I just know that they are targeted more towards matured skin. So yeah, I'm pretty excited because I've not really heard much about this, so this is going to be a proper first impressions. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Well, coming to the packaging of the foundation, it firstly comes in this cardboard box. It has all the ingredients written on the side and all the manufacturing dates, imported from, quantity and everything is written at the back. Now I got mine in the shade Revive, and this one is 14 ml of product and this retails for $9.95. I think there were around 5 or 6 shades. I'll have to look it up. I'll post it on the screen somewhere over here कि कितने shades. ज़्यादातर के foundations 20 to 25 ml के होते हैं, but this one is very less. It's just 14 ml of products and this retails for $9.95, which is pretty pricey. But if you want to save some money, I'll just post my MyGlam coupon code यहाँ पे screen पे, आप उसको use कर सकते हो and you can get 60 to 65% off. So yeah, basically this is pretty pricey, but for the packaging itself, it looks pretty cute. But I just want to tell that this is not heavy by any means. It's very lightweight, बहुत ही lightweight है, and इसका size भी, if you see, it is comparable to the Sugar Drop, the base foundation, almost similar kind of sizing है इसका. This comes with a pump, so if you see, there is a nice beautiful pump inside. But it will be really great for traveling if this works, because ये बहुत ही lightweight है and you don't need to worry about the weight and all. That is the packaging for the foundation. Now coming to this brightening essence, let me see first ये है क्या. Get your 3D glow on with its high performance iridescent essence infused with chloristic liquid crystals that moisturizes and firm up your skin's texture. This enhance will bring out your skin's natural radiance. So basically, as per the claims, मैं सोच रही हूँ कि ये just एक skincare item है. It's not like a primer. I've already moisturized my face, but we'll be applying this on top. Most of the times I always use some kind of brightening, highlighting, illuminating sticks or illuminating creams underneath my foundation to give that extra bit of a glow. So I think ये भी वही करेगा. If it works, I'm really going to be using this a lot. Now coming to the quantity, it is 15 ml of product and this retails for $1,195. Again, the pricing is pretty expensive. This comes in this cardboard packaging. There is no shade range, I think, in this. This is just a serum. The packaging of this is pretty cute. I mean, कि vanity table पे ये बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा. You have all the other details of the product mentioned right at the bottom of this product. Again, it's not like heavily weighted. Like, you can throw this even in your handbag and आपको ज़्यादा फर्क भी नहीं पड़ेगा कि ये products आपके bag में है. So that's about the packaging, guys. So without further ado, let's jump right into testing these products. So firstly, I'm going to apply this serum, this essence. It is infused with rosehip oil and vitamin elixir. I'm just going to pump a little on the back of my hand. That's a very bad swatch, but I thought it will be a little bit more sparkly, like an illuminator, but it's actually like a gel. I hope that's in focus right now. It smells really good. It definitely smells like rosehip oil, and it's very much like a liquidy gel, not like a thick gel. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this all over my skin. I hope it gives some kind of illumination because it says brightening serum. I think 2 pumps actually covered the entire face pretty well, and it's not sticky or anything. बहुत ही lightweight है. I don't feel the stickiness, but definitely I can feel the moisture added to the skin a lot. My skin is not like extra glowy, but the glow is definitely there. I do have a ring light right over here, जिसकी वजह से थोड़ा सा shine extra लग रहा होगा. But overall, I think there is a little bit of a shine, not like heavy shine. और बहुत ही लाइट वेट है. आई मीन ज़्यादा पोर्स कवर नहीं हुए हैं, बट एट द सेम टाइम बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ग्लो एंड एवरीथिंग इट लुक्स वेरी हेल्दी. सो दैट इज़ हाउ द सीरम लुक्स गाइज. आई थिंक आई विल प्राइम वन साइड ऑफ द फेस and I'll not prime the other side. So I'll prime this side of my face. I'll use the Maybelline Fit Me Primer. This is the Dewy and Smooth, normal to dry skin. Gives a nice base. So मैं just इसको अपने pores area पे लगाऊंगी and a little bit on the forehead. I just want to see the finish of the foundation कि ये primer के साथ कैसे काम करेगा and primer के बिना कैसे काम करेगा. And you know, during the entire day I'll give you a little updates and all. So basically the primer is applied and this side there is no primer and this side is the primed side. Now for the application purpose मैं इस side पे brush use करूँगी और इस side पे मेरा sponge use करूँगी so that we can see ये दोनों चीज़ों से कैसे apply कर सकते हैं. I thought it will be a little bit extra runny, but ये थोड़ा सा thick है, so I'm expecting a little bit of coverage here. And I took like 2 pumps मेरे हाथ के पीछे. Just going to apply this. I hope this is the right shade. Just I'm dotting a little bit. For the foundation brush, I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe foundation brush. Definitely there is a coverage guys. I thought it will be very lightweight. As you can see the shade difference over here, थोड़ा सा light है, but I can manage it because बहुत ही ज़्यादा फर्क भी नहीं है. बस एक I think आधा shade lighter है, that's it. Apart from that, the shade is really good. I think the foundation is pretty set as well. Yeah, I really like the coverage, very natural. So I'm just going to apply थोड़ा और इस side पे. As you remember, ये side primed face है. The foundation is very playable guys. मतलब आप लगाओगे and आप like कुछ दूसरा इधर उधर से चीज़ें ले रहे हो and you might notice some foundations dry up really quick, but ये ऐसा नहीं है. You have a lot of play time with it. अगर कहीं पे if you miss a spot, you can just take back again. You can just spot conceal. I think that's a beautiful coverage guys. It's बहुत ही natural coverage है. I can definitely see that my moles pigmentation is nicely covered. I think it is very similar to the K-Beauty foundation. I really like the coverage. It is very medium coverage for day to day. This is what I like, to be really honest. मैंने इतना ज़्यादा expect नहीं किया. And I have my fan turned off. I have the AC turned off as well. But you see there are no fine lines peeking through. You know, everything is looking very good. Even on the unprimed side, I usually get यहाँ पे smile lines या यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा line या फिर you know मैंने थोड़ा सा फाउंडेशन अपने आँख के नीचे भी लगाया है just to see कितना कवरेज देता है. And I don't see any creasing or anything as of now. As I said, सब कुछ off है यहाँ पे and still I don't see any creasing and it's looking pretty flawless as of now. Well yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Those were like my first impressions. I'm just quickly going to do the rest of my face and I will be right back. Alright guys, so ये रहा full face of makeup. अगर इसका makeup look आप चाहते हो, इसका tutorial मेरे Instagram पे posted होगा, so do check out my Instagram. मैं उसका link यहाँ पे screen पे और description box में भी दे दूँगी. Go ahead and check it out. Now coming to the foundation, I think ये लगाए हुए around 2 hours हो चुके हैं. अभी फ़िलहाल 8:30 PM हो रहा है. मैंने तुरंत record नहीं किया because I had some office work, so मैं उस पे चली गई थी as soon as I was done with my makeup. Now as I said, it's been already 2 hours-ish since I've applied this and I see that मेरा face बहुत ही flawless looking लग रहा है. The pores, fine lines कुछ भी emphasize नहीं हुए. Don't even see oiliness or anything. It just looks absolutely natural and skin-like. I did set my foundation with the My Glam HD Banana Powder. मैंने just under eyes पे थोड़ा सा set किया था and also around my T-zone because I always use a setting powder, a little bit of a setting powder मेरे T-zone पे and under eyes पे, and that's what I did. Apart from that, the blush, bronzer, highlighter, everything glided really well onto the base. So we'll wait for a few more hours and I'll check back with you by the end of the night. Alright guys, so फिलहाल हो रहा है रात के 1:45 एंड ये फाउंडेशन मैंने ऑलमोस्ट 6 से 7 घंटे लगा रखे थे एंड दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. मैंने अभी थोड़े से थंबनेल लिए ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो and also I ripped off my eyelashes because they were just too much to handle for the entire day. So well, this is how my skin looks. थोड़ा सा oily है और मैं T-zone, मेरे pores, fine lines कुछ emphasize नहीं हुए हैं. Also ignore this thing guys, ये जो scratch है over there, I kind of scratched it because मुझे थोड़ा सा itching हो रहा था. Foundation वहाँ पे निकल चुका है. Other than that, if you see मेरे fine lines, my smile lines, even right over here as well, everything is looking so flawless. Obviously under eyes थोड़े से dull दिख रहे हैं, that's because it's around 2 o'clock in the midnight and of course I'm tired as well. But other than that, the foundation stayed up really good guys. The only thing I don't really like about this is the shade range. इसमें सिर्फ 3 shades आते हैं. So if you see on the screen, this is the shade range. It has only 3 shades. Timeless, Eternity and Revive जो मैंने ख़रीदा है. I think Timeless is the lightest one. Revive जो मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ वो darkest है and there is another one called Eternity. I think वो mid tone का है. If this is the darkest shade, I don't think so it's going to work on a large scale of people. This is definitely a medium shade. I think this matched me and I think it will match maybe एक shade darker to me. Apart from that, no. I think बाकी सब पे ये बहुत ही like लगेगा. Coming from a brand that is so well reputed, I think they should launch more shades in this. I think it's definitely a really good foundation. So I would really appreciate if MyGlam comes up with more shades in this because I would really like people to try this out and not just throw it aside because the shade is not a match, you know. Coming to the brightening serum, इसका मैं definitely एक और वीडियो बनाऊंगी. Maybe I'll just post it in a monthly review or something, या फिर मेरे Instagram पे ज़रूर post करूँगी because I think I'll have to use this a couple of times to know what this actually does. Because फ़िलहाल के लिए I think it definitely did give me a nice moisturized skin and it was a very nicely nourishing as well. But उससे ज़्यादा I don't think there was any effect of this. I'll be keep on using the foundation अलग से and this thing I'll definitely include in my skincare and इसका मैं अलग से एक छोटा सा review ज़रूर बनाऊँगी. So yeah, those were my thoughts on this foundation guys. I hope you like it. I think it's pretty late right now. मुझे pack up करना चाहिए and I have to go to sleep. So I'll just remove everything and pack up. So if you like the video, please do like, share the video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also अगर आपको ये makeup look चाहिए मेरे Instagram पे जाना, उसका link मैं आपको description box में दे दूँगी. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys soon in my next video.